Let's go get him again.
Hold on to your wallets because this one can be a good one. We might have a good one here. So this one is often compared to my holy grail gourmand from the house of Hermes called Ambre D'Alexandrie, the apple pie of the fragrance game. Well, is this one even going to come close to it? I know a few have tried, but technically haven't replaced my famed Ambre D'Alexandrie. For the price, let's hope so, but I am excited to unbox this one. So let's get into it. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and giving a first impression on Ambre D'Alexandrie from the brand of Boucheron, Paris. This is my second blind buy from the brand of Boucheron from their higher echelon line. I got their oud one. Now I got their amber base one. So now what people are saying about this one really intrigued me. It's not a new idea. Ambre D'Alexandrie perfected it. But it has so many fragrances that have copied this recipe, this apple pie vibe. Ambre D'Alexandrie is in that realm of Baccarat Rouge, Aventus, where there's a lot of designer brands, even niche brands, indie brands that are trying to copy that recipe and make it their own. Now, if this holds a candle to the Hermes, which I'm so fond of, and my bottle is halfway empty, and I'm kind of getting nervous because I need to get another bottle of that. But if this one holds a candle to it, it is money well spent. But we are going to see what Boucheron has released here. Their oud one was really, really good. So I'm assuming their amber one should be decent. So let's unbox this one. Let's take a look at it. Now, if you're on the Robezoid channel, you know this guy. It's a big amber fan, right? I like my deep, dark, resinous ambers. I like the ones that, give out that vanillic take. Others give out a powdery take. Some give out a gourmand take. And that's where I think this one's going to go. I do apologize. The cellophane here is extremely thick. I'm trying to remember how these open. Is it like this or does it open for... Oh, yeah, it's this. Bloop. Oh, that... If you were in my shoes right now, you will see this dark resinous looking juice, this ambery looking juice. This shows potential to me. These bottles are, it never gets old unboxing these bottles. This is a nice looking bottle. Now, the juice is promising because it's dark, but let's smell it. I am hyped about this one. Are you going to give me that apple pie vibe? We will see. Yep. Oh, yeah. This is 100%. This is good. Gourmand? Yeah. Apples? Yeah. Baked good? Yeah. Cinnamon? Whole bunch of it. It's warm. It's soft. It's cuddly. There's some great spice in here. The cinnamon it's just good enough. It's apples sprinkled with cinnamon. It's warm, it's sweet. It's got a little bit of vanillic tone here. But it's just apple pie vibe 100%. Now, what cuts the men from the boys is what the Hermes does. Not from the top of the first 10 minutes, is what it does in the back end. What is it going to do in the next several hours? Because the other ones kind of fail at that. I feel the Hermes is very well balanced and well done. I actually have to review the Hermes, the Ambre D'Alexandrie. But this one right now, off the top, damn, that's good. That is very good. Now, again, not a new idea. Not something that is going to blow the walls off as being very original. It's not. Again, if you're in this game like I am, you're going to smell a few of these. But again, like I'm saying, is what separates the men's from the boys is longevity, projection. How does it last? What is the complement factor? Because the Hermes Ambre D'Alexandrie kills its replicators. I'll tell you that. Like I have Wajon, which is probably the most expensive replicator from Parfum de Marly. Doesn't really hold a candle, and it's not as polished as the Hermes. So this one, it's not letting up. It really is giving out that introduction. It's on point. This is beautiful. It has a little bit of smoke to it, a little different here. So it has something a little different than the Hermes may not have. I got to take a look at the note breakdown. There might be a couple notes here and there playing its part in the fragrance itself. But that dark resinous juice, this is a beautiful amber. And this might be a winner. Boucheron, man, I'm 2 bottles in. You're gonna make me look for a third one now. Not good for my wallet, but man, yeah, that's all you can say, and that's a straightforward video. And again, these videos are not meant to be in depth, but it's either a wow, an okay, or like, ooh, what did I do? And that's what you guys want to see, at least for now. That's what I'm offering you. But this one right now is a wow. Obviously not original idea. And what people are talking about on the internet is that this is very much a replica of that DNA. It is. I'm here to say it is. And I'm here to say, as far as my experience goes, it's a very good representation of it. That apple pie is absolutely gorgeous, vivid, well balanced. The cinnamon, the apple, the pastry, like even the vanilla qualities. There's some vanilla qualities in here, very gourmandish, but there's also a little bit of smoke here too, something a little different. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. But this one, a winner from Boucheron. At least that's the early returns. Now that you heard my take, I'd always love to see your comments below, especially with the line that I'm just discovering. You know, I'm 2 bottles in. I'm excited about this line and I want to discover more. And that's where you guys come in the comments. People that may have smelt all of these or smelt a few of these. I'd love to hear your take, and you can pinpoint this one and say your experience with this release. Good, bad, and the ugly. I don't care. But early returns, very happy with this one. And as always, a great report fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your apple pie based release wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.